Hello, in this video we will see how to install CDBoost. First of all, we need to download the installation package. For downloading the installation package, please copy this on your browser. Save the file. Now you need to open the file. In the file, you will find 3 folders and a readme text. To install CDBoost, you need to open CDBoost installation folder. In this folder, you will find a readme text with all the instructions. First of all, you will need to install the Boost library and then a compiler. We will install GCC compiler. The final step will be copying the CDBoost folder. Let's start installing Boost library. To do so, option 1 is recommended. It's the one we will follow in this video. To install Boost following option 1, you need to open the terminal. To open the terminal, press on your keyboard Ctrl-Alt-T. Once the terminal is open, you need to type on the terminal this sentence. Now, press enter. It will ask for your password. When it asks, do you want to continue? Please press yes. Wait until the installation is finished. Now the installation is finished. The second step is to install GCC 4.9. To do so, type on the terminal this sentence. Press enter. Press enter again to continue. Now, type on the terminal the sentence in the second point. Once it's finished, type on the terminal the sentence in the third point. Press enter. Do you want to continue? Yes. Wait until the installation is finished. Once the simulation is finished, we have finished installing the dependencies for CDBoost. The final step is to install CDBoost library. CDBoost library is a header-only library, so we just need to copy the folder in a directory in our computer. Home directory is recommended. To do so, we go where we have extracted our files, we open CDBoost installation again, and we extract CDBoost folder in home. Now we have CDBoost in home. We have followed all the steps and the simulator is ready to be used.